Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing wonders of China. Buckle up because we're about to explore the top 5 stunning spots you absolutely have to see in high definition. First up, the Great Wall of China. This ancient marvel stretches over 13,000 miles and has stood for centuries as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Walking along its winding paths, you can almost hear the echoes of history. And trust me, the view from the top in HD absolutely breathtaking. Next, we've got the serene Li River in Guilin. Picture this, a river winding through dramatic karst mountains with traditional bamboo rafts gliding across emerald waters. It's like stepping into a traditional Chinese painting, but in vivid, crisp HD, perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Third on our list is the Terracotta Army in Xi'an. Discovered by farmers in 1974, this underground army of thousands of life-size soldiers is a jaw-dropping sight. Each figure is unique, with intricate details that are simply mind-blowing. When you see this in HD, you'll feel like you're right there, unearthing history. The sheer scale and craftsmanship of these figures are awe-inspiring. Now let's head to Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Remember those floating mountains in the movie Avatar? Yep, this is the place that inspired them. Towering sandstone pillars, lush greenery, and the feeling of being on another planet, it's all here. And in HD, every rock and tree stands out in stunning detail. The natural beauty of this place is simply unparalleled. Last but definitely not least, the vibrant city of Shanghai. From the futuristic skyline of Pudong to the historical charm of the Bund, Shanghai is a city of contrasts and endless adventures. The blend of old and new creates a unique atmosphere that's hard to find anywhere else. And when you capture this dynamic cityscape in HD, every neon light and architectural marvel pops with incredible clarity. The city truly comes alive at night, with its vibrant lights and bustling streets. So there you have it, China's top 5 wonders in high definition. Each of these locations offers a unique glimpse into the rich history and breathtaking beauty of this incredible country. Whether you're planning a trip or just daydreaming from your couch, these spots are sure to ignite your wanderlust. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.